The Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC today revealed that it has suffered a major hit from high fuel prices and will now have to return to the Ministry of Transport by September for additional budgetary support. Executives from the state-run entity appeared before the PAAC today. Anthony Lugg has our story.
Fuel prices have been going up and stakeholders across various sectors have been feeling the pinch. The JUTC has not been spared. Managing Director Paul Abrams says despite the reduced rollout of buses, its fuel bill has skyrocketed.
We are seeing that our figures are moving almost 35% to 40% increase in fuel prices. Reduced bus runout has helped us in that aspect, but if we were in a position of running our 325 buses, we would have been we'd be at Ministry of Finance's door already. I believe Finance has mentioned to me that our fuel allocation, based on the increase, will carry us till September or October of this year only.
The company is now in the process of contacting the Transport Ministry to inform them of its challenge paying for fuel for the rest of the financial year.
It goes back to the master plan that you asked from the ministry, because I would imagine that, things like these would be advocated for there to be either a reduction or waiver somewhat, because it is really in the interest of the government.
While the JUTC prepares to make its submission to the ministry, another concern.
You have here $194 million on toll. Seeing that there's an increase that came into effect on Saturday, how would that now impact on the JUTC?
We might be able to balance it because we have less buses going through the toll. Again, if we were at the optional fleet, we would have major challenges, but because we have less units operating through the toll now, we may be able to balance and at least ride the storm out.
Mr. Abrams says, based on the price increase, the JUTC is now paying an additional $600,000 weekly to access the highway.
It's a place where I said we basically give basket to carry water. Because if you have to juggle, just depends on how you balance their books in how the rollout is done. It is not acceptable for the traveling public or even the taxpayers who are subsidizing.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.